Meaning of drawer.
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 Drawer. A drawer is a piece of furniture that typically has a box-like shape with a handle for pulling it out. This box-like shape is usually used to store items such as clothes, papers, tools, or other objects. Drawers can be found in many different types of furniture such as desks, dressers, and cabinets. They are designed to provide a simple yet effective way of storing and organizing items that would otherwise clutter a room. By keeping items within reach but out of sight, drawers allow for a more tidy and organized living space.